So hello friends, welcome again to a new video again. So today's video is again on CSS float. Not again. Today we are only doing CSS float. This is the first video on CSS float. So let's see what is CSS float. So guys, welcome back to our channel. If you are new to this channel, then please subscribe our channel and like our videos. Okay. So without wasting any more time, let's start with today's program. Okay, so this is my first program, as you can see. So I'm gonna copy this program and I'm gonna run it, then I'm gonna explain you guys. So as you can see, copying is done, pasting is done, saving I'm doing it 1.html as it is our first program. Okay, so saving is done. Now let's see what the output is. Okay, it's a bit different program, right? Nothing is there, only our text is written. Let's see what the program is all about. So it's about CSS float. So it's a simple program. It's the simplest program of HTML. Okay, the easiest program. As you can see, the output is nothing, only a text is there. So how it is been done, let's see this. So we have used an head tag and we have given the title float. As you can see, the title is over here, float. Okay, then we have closed head tag and we have open body tag, and on the body tag we have used div class attribute. Okay, and we have written equals to gfg in quotation style equals to quotation font size equals to 40px. Okay, and color equals to an hexa value is there. Okay, as you can see, and then we wrote that float equals to semicolon left comma hello world, div class closed, and body tag closed, html tag closed. It's a very small program, easiest program. Okay, so the main thing was this div attribute. Okay, so this was the main thing, and if you write like this, it's the easiest program, and this type of creature will come. So as you can see, the hexa, as you can see, color is green, so the hexa value of hexa, this value was green. Now let me, as I don't know any hexa value, hexa code, so I will change this color. I'll change this color and I'll write, suppose if I write red I've written. As you can see, red is written. Now if I save, what happens? So as you can see, I reloaded the page and it came to a red color. Okay, so if you want to put hexa code, you can put hexa code. If you want to write any color, you can write any color, it will show the color. Okay, so this was our first program. Now let's go to the second program. So the second program is about CSS drop down. So what is CSS drop downs? Let's see. So as you can see in the screen, this is the first program. Oh, it's a little big. So let's copy this program. Come on, again issue of copy. Now I will copy the entire program. Copy, done. Copying is done, pasting is left, pasting it, pasting is done, as you can see, and the last, the dotted also came, the dot lines. So saving by 2.html, second program, as it is our second program. So saving, I think done, opening the file. So as you can see, hoverable drop down, move the mouse up over the text below to open the drop down content. Mouse over me, so move the mouse over the text. Okay, if I move the mouse over the text, then the text below to open the drop down content, so this content will come. Okay, so this how we make a drop down content. I think it's cool, right? If we just place my cursor over here, then only this inside hidden content is been showing. So how did we make a hidden content? And more what can imagine this type of thing also can happen. Okay, so let's see how we made this. So where is the program? This program is a bit interesting, right? It's interesting to me, So we have used head tag and under head tag we have used style tag. Okay, and under style tag we have written the syntax that drop down equals to positive equal to relative, positive colon relative display colon inline block. Okay, bracket close. Then again we have written drop down content equals to display none, positive absolute none. If you write this none also, nothing will happen. If you erase this, nothing will happen. Background color you can see on one more hexacode is there. Mean width, the minimum width is 160 px. Box shadow is 0 px, 8 px, 16 px, again 0 px, and RGBA colors are this, the value of colors. Now padding is 12 px and 16 px. Z equals to index equals to quotation 1. So much, it's looking a bit complex. So down hover, drop down content, display equals to block, whatever. You just just if you give a look, if you just do this program, if you do in practical, if you have a computer, if you try it by yourself by 1 or 2 tries, then only you can make this program. If you have to, but remember this, you have to write this program, okay, by yourself. Now by closing style tag, then I've closed head tag, then I've started body tag, and body tag I've written C, heading is there. Then I've used on paragraph tag. Okay, so then I've used the main tag, that is a div attribute, which is in quotation drop down span equals to mouse over me. So the main thing is this span code. Okay, the span tag is only used over here. Okay, and div, again we have used div attribute quotation drop down content. What is the drop down content? So you have to write this attribute, then you have to write in para hello world, then only it will show. Okay, then you have to close div tags, then you have to close body tag and HTML tag. Okay, so this was all about drop down content, how to create a drop down content, right? I hope you guys understand. Okay, so if I change the text color of the drop down, let me see how to change. Okay, so if I give acha, this should be given in style, right? Why I'm given body? What a mistake. Let me check it out. Oh, where is my style tag? As you can see, style is started from here, RGB color, box shadow, padding. Okay, leave it. I will discuss this in the next video. Okay, so for today guys, only this much. If you like the video, then like it. If you got knowledge, then like it.